but we have a lightning storm for now. What happened to all my lightning? There was lightning out. What the hell?
You mentioned YouTube and it went away.
I know. Come on, lightning. Come on. Come out wherever you are. It's kind of windy. Oh, now the fucking buildings are in my way. God damn it. Well, you gotta see a glimpse of the lightning a little bit.